trans fatty acids and saturated fatty acids. Liquid oils are the best type of oil. Liquid oils are free of saturated fatty acids and trans fats compared to solid oils. Trans fatty acids increase bad cholesterol, LDL, and decrease good cholesterol, HDL, which ultimately leads to cardiovascular disease. Saturated fatty acids can raise cholesterol. They also lead to stenosis, blockage of arteries, cardiovascular disease, and heart attack by deposition in the arteries of the heart. Disadvantages of excessive consumption of oil. Excessive consumption of high-fat foods such as chips, fried foods, butter also increases the risk of some cancers, including breast, colon and prostate cancers. Cardiovascular disease. Overweight and obesity. Diabetes. Hypertension. Fatty liver disease. Which oils are healthy? You must use cooking oil for cooking and be sure to use frying oil for frying. Sesame oil, olive oil, grapeseed oil, soybean oil. Omega-3s reduce fat and blood pressure and prevent irregular heartbeats. Omega-3s are one of the unsaturated fats, and because they are not made in the body, they are one of the essential fats for the body. Omega-3s in some foods such as there are fish, eggs and walnuts. Soybean oil and sesame oil are suitable for cooking and frying. Butter, like other animal products, is high in saturated fatty acids and has a high cholesterol content. Saturated fat, a type of fat that is solid at room temperature. Unfortunately, this type of fat raises blood cholesterol levels and causes a variety of diseases such as heart disease. Animal butter is less harmful than margarine or vegetable butter, high trans. Because our body needs a small amount of saturated fat to soften skin and hair. But it has no need for trans fats and should be eliminated from people's diets. Golden tips. The use of high heat causes the production of toxic and carcinogenic compounds in the oil. Liquid frying oil can be used 2 to 3 times at short intervals, for example, during a day, then it should be discarded. Oils are sensitive to light and heat. Store them in closed containers away from light and heat. Keep the oil at a temperature of 20 degrees. Sesame oil is suitable for frying due to its high heat resistance and can be used several times. Instead of frying food, try steaming, boiling and grilling it. Use dairy and lean meats. An unpleasant odor is a sign that the oil is rotting. A piece of steak contains 20 grams of saturated fat. Sheep's rump oil has high cholesterol and causes blood pressure and heart disease, unless you have high mobility to burn it.